Most people think they know what happens when you send money. They say the money moves. That's it. Today, I'm going to show you the real machinery behind your banking app. It could be any bank: ABSA, Capitec, FNB, Time Bank, NetBank, Standard Bank, any bank. The process is exactly the same. For the purpose of this course, we are going to choose ABSA, but you can choose any bank you want. Three questions you have probably never asked. One, how does the bank know it's actually you, not someone in Romania? The real you. Two, how does your phone know the app is real? Because fake apps exist. Three, where does the secret live? The thing that protects your money. These questions changed everything for me. They will change how you see your phone. Let me introduce you to someone. Sipo. Sipo buys a new phone, opens the Play Store, searches for ABSA banking app. He sees multiple results. The real app, maybe a fake one. Apps have the same problem as social media. Search Tyler on Instagram, fake accounts with millions of followers. Banking apps need the same protection. Before the app reaches CPO's phone, the bank configures two things. First, client ID, the name tag. I am ABSA mobile app, not secret. Second, client secret, the proof. Only the real app knows this. 95 to the power of 32 combinations, more than the atoms in your body. You cannot brute force this, ever. That is the strength of trust. Where does the secret live on the phone? When you set up Face ID or fingerprint to unlock your phone, that data lives in a special isolated chip, the secure enclave, hardware protected. The client's secret works the same way, stored in the secure enclave, safe. But where is Absa's vault? The matching secret needs a home. 20 years ago, buy servers, build data centers, millions of runs. Today, cloud. Choose AWS, write Terraform code, and it exists. We are doing this the professional way: infrastructure as code. Six things we need to build. 1. KMS key, the master guard that protects the vault. 2. KMS key policy, the rule book, who is allowed to use the guard. 3. KMS alias, a human readable name. Nobody remembers long IDs. 4. The secret, the container in Secrets Manager. 5. Random password, the 32 character secret generated automatically, never written by a human. 6. Secret version, puts the password inside the container. Six components. Welcome to cloud engineering. It's always more than you expect. Look at the screen. This is what we built. The Terraform resource called AWS underscore secrets manager underscore secret underscore version. That just means AWS, please create a version of a secret inside Secrets Manager. We give it a secret ID, the container we created earlier. Then we give it the actual secret value. The secret value has three parts. First, client ID, absa-mobile-app, just the name tag. Second, client secret, the 32 character random password, 95 to the power of 32 combinations. Third, environment, production, because this is the real thing. Three lines of configuration. Behind those lines, AWS builds an encrypted vault, stores the secret safely, makes it available only to authorized services. No servers to patch, no databases to back up. That is the power of infrastructure as code. That is why we do this. We started with one question: what actually happens when you send money? Now you know, and now we build. You've been listening to Lerato Motsware. I will be teaching you AWS Cloud by building real financial bank infrastructure using Terraform. That is the plan. Subscribe, you don't want to miss it. Trust me.